Hey guys, and today I'm just going to be showing you my new mini fidget spinner. I have a purple mini fidget spinner. It does good spins. It makes a lot of noise, but it's mini, so it does good. But yeah, anyways guys, I just wanted to show you this fidget spinner. It's really good. Oops. Yeah, it's my first smallest fidget spinner. My other one's the one I shown you in the last video. I don't even know my grandma right now, but I showed you that one in the last video. And that's my tie-dye one. That is right over here on my desk. Sorry that I haven't been doing gaming videos lately, but I'm just doing vlogs. But yeah, I have this one, and you probably already know this one's way better. My tie-dye one. So yeah, this one's way better, but this one's still cool. I'm adding it to my collection, but as you can see, they're about the same exact size. Look, I'm gonna try to show you this. I'm gonna put them on top of each other. Okay, so that's kind of hard to. Only a true genius can figure out which one's bigger and which one's smaller. But they're about the same size. See, they're about the same size here. Yeah. So, sorry if this is blurry. But yeah, guys, that's just what I wanted to show you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for every video I make. And yeah, bye.